Hey, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will, back again, and I'm about to do a ride along. But you already knew it because it was in the thumbnail. So, I am doing a ride along with this here. This fragrance, I had it on earlier today, and obviously I'm doing this ride along a little bit later. I had it on earlier today, and I was like, man, this is actually performing pretty well. I need to do a ride along. So, I was like, let me jump into it now. So, this is Tommy Summer. If that's coming in, I'm not sure if that name is coming in. Tommy Summer. And man, this is a nice, bright, fresh citrus, summery vibe kind of fragrance. And I was saying that I had this on earlier and it just kept lingering. I went to the gym and everything and it was still there. So I was like, let me just do a ride along with it. So let's just jump right into the sprays. I already took a shower and freshened up and everything. I am going to go out a little bit later. So I will have a few hours to ride with this. So jumping right into it, I'm going to go with these sprays. And I sprayed it a little bit heavy earlier. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing now. See if I get the same reaction, which is longevity and nice smelling. It has this almost like a grapefruit, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. The actual scent of the fragrance. And go one or two on the neck. Yeah, so that feels good. Oh, right now it is 5:27 and the temperature is 70 degrees. I know it got up to like 71 earlier today. So let's see. Yes, it's 70 degrees. I'm not sure if that's going to come in. 70 degrees. So, all right, let's do this ride along and see if this fragrance is actually going to continue to perform well or if it was just a fluke that it was doing okay earlier today. All right, roll with me. Let's check it out. Hey, what's going on, folks? I am doing a check-in, and I was thinking I was about to just scrap this because the fragrance to me doesn't feel like it's performing the way it was performing earlier today. It's more closer to the skin. When I was in the house and I was moving around, I was like, I can barely smell this. And I think what happened is I just went nose blind to it. But as soon as I stepped outside, it hit me in the face. It was like super strong. So I'm like, okay, so this is one of those fragrances that you could go nose blind to, and you probably are going to be playing peekaboo with it. So right now it is 7:03 and it's gotten a little bit cooler. It is 67 degrees. I'm not sure if that's coming up. Yeah, 67 degrees. So it's what, 3 degrees cooler. So the fragrance now is, I got a nice little scent bubble around me. It's not projecting, crazy like all over. Like if I walk into a crowded room, I might not be, you may not smell it, but if I walk past you, you probably would smell it. So it smells pretty good. It almost smells still close to the opening, but it's gotten a little bit subdued, and it feels like it has like something that's kind of dry that's pulling it down, like maybe a sandalwood or amber or something like that, because it's starting to get a little bit sweeter. But I am going to continue with this ride along instead of scrapping it because it is working. I just couldn't smell it when I was in the house. All right, keep rolling with me and I'll give you more updates.
Look, look. Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
Of you actually, except they're quiet.
Well, first big head.
Shut the fuck up! Don't pull rank in countries you can't.
Hey, all right, folks. So I'm doing the check-in. It is getting kind of late now. I think it's after 10 o'clock. So I just came from the movie, checking it out. It was a pretty good movie. I went to go see Obsession, and the fragrance is still. It's slightly on my jacket. I did spray my jacket also after I did my regular spray. So yeah, and let me tell you what the timing is. 10:22, and the temperature is 10:22, and the temperature is 61 degrees now. So it's doing pretty good, a lot better than I thought it was going to do, but it has gotten a lot closer to the skin. It's almost a skin scent, but like I said, I can smell it slightly on my jacket. On my skin, it's really, really light. All right, so I'll do a wrap up in a little bit and follow through. Keep rolling with me. Hey, all right, what's going on, folks? I am here. Time to wrap this up. It's been a good little while. It is right now 11:26, and the temperature has dropped even a little bit more. It's 59 degrees. I'm not sure if that's going to come in. 59 degrees, but I'm inside the house now, and the fragrance is kind of pretty much gone. It's like a skin scent. I can smell something that smells kind of like almost like a dark wood, but not like a wood like a oud, but more of like a almost like a sweet dark wood, not like a sandalwood. It's a little bit sweeter and woody. So yeah, it worked out for me pretty good, which is kind of strange because when I had it on earlier today, this fragrance was performing like a crazy, and that's one of the reasons why I was like, all right, let me just go ahead and do a ride along. When I put it on the second time, it wasn't performing as strong as it was the first time, where I was thinking what I should have done is did a ride along as soon as I woke up, and that first time I sprayed it on, that probably would have did better. But nevertheless, it is a good fragrance. It worked out pretty good. Just that goes to show you that sometimes a fragrance will perform a little bit better at one time than the other time. So don't throw any fragrances away that just maybe not performing. Give them a little bit of time. They might do better next time. So like I said, it's 11:28 now. So here we go. Tommy Summertime. This is a really good fragrance. It actually, and it's a cheap one too. So you can grab this on the low, and this is a good fragrance to just rock all through the summer if you wanted something cheap and something easy to grab. So this one is the Tommy Bahama Summer 21. I think they have another one that's 2025, and then they have a couple of them with that whole Tommy Summer line. So this is 2021, the blue bottle. And jumping right into it, and obviously since it's summer 21, it came out in 2021. The notes for this, the Tommy are, the top notes are ginger, orange, and cardamom. Then the mid notes are violet leaf, clary sage, and white pepper. And then in the base notes we have ebony. Oh, that's the wood that I was smelling. Ebony, vetiver, and patchouli. I thought I was smelling some kind of wood, but I couldn't put my finger on what it was. I haven't seen ebony as a note in fragrances. You don't see that too often, so that's probably why it stands out a little bit differently, which is really good. Like what I smell on my arm now is completely different from what you smell in the opening. This opening is really, it's really bright and citrusy and almost like has some florals to it, almost oceanic also too, but it's no oceanic notes in it. But yeah, it does give you a vibe of being near the water and near flowers. But yeah, smells good. I'm glad I have it, and it worked out for me. It just was stronger earlier today than it was this second go around, the round that you guys are on now. But anyway, I think that is it. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about Tommy Bahama, Tommy Summer. Yeah, worked out good. Oh, and the movie that I saw, it was Obsession. It was a pretty good movie. It's a lot of jump scares. I would say if you're into scary movies and thrillers and suspense type of things, yeah, go check it out. It's a good one. So yeah, Tommy Bahama, Summer, and Obsession. Until next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.